So you might have seen about this particular upskilling platform all over the internet, mostly on the LinkedIn, that is Bosscoder Academy. We'll be seeing what exactly it is, and we'll be trying to understand the different types of the things they offer. Okay, we'll be trying to see in a very detailed manner what exactly they offer. Other than that, there to give you a very high level understanding, it is an upskilling platform for tech professionals, mostly you want to get into software engineering, software development, or into data domain like data engineering. And today specifically, I somehow arranged an account that is a proper student account. I am not just going to showcase or tell about basically this is the overview and these are things. A proper detailed video it is of the review. I got the account of a student, like from a student point of view, how exactly the Bosscoder Academy platform looks like, and we'll be reviewing data engineering program, end-to-end curriculum we'll be reviewing. We'll be seeing what all projects they talk about, what all modules are there, what exactly they do. So we'll be talking about those all things, and we'll be trying to explore these part, what they claim, do they provide those things? Because if they claim our mentorship, how exactly the things are done. Other than that, we talk about placements, how exactly the placements are given, doubt supports, these all kind of things. So let's go to the screen and let's start. So as you can see on the screen, this is the main screen of the Bosscoder Academy. Whenever you will open, when you will enroll to their program, this is the student, this thing. Okay, I'll just zoom in a bit so that you can see it much better. Okay, this is the platform. Basically here you get, this is the home page, the dashboard, the main dashboard, where you get all the things. Basically this is how it looks like. The student name will be there and the batch will be mentioned, and these all toggle buttons will be there. On the left hand side we can see many toggle buttons. So we'll be talking about one by one, and it will be a very detailed what we say breakdown of the things I'll be showcasing you. So basically the first thing, that is any professional who is looking for the upskilling program, it is and its curriculum. So their data engineering program, if we talk about, here you can see there is a roadmap. Okay, I'll talk about this just after like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Firstly, let's go to the curriculum. Basically, as you can see here, there's a proper curriculum. Like you can see a data foundation, that is 100% like a module. Basically that has, like when you will go in this particular module, you can see upcoming sessions that will be live sessions, mostly that will be listed here. Other than that, there will be past sessions. You can see all the whatever recording, pre-recorded sessions will be there, and the live sessions will be also there. So you can see like this. Basically you can just, if I start, I'll just showcase you how it looks like. A full screen will be there, and okay. So if I showcase you, this is a expert session basically. Okay. Other than that, similarly there will be, like, you have to choose the module from here, ETL and data warehousing module. In this module basically, that will be covering mostly about data engineering fundamentals. About 6 weeks they will take, and they will try to cover out those things. Other than that, you can see big data module is there, cloud module is there, all type of clouds they have covered. They have covered GCP, they have covered Azure, they have covered AWS, all those sort of things are there. And also DevOps is there. Okay, so no need to, like, how the CI/CD pipelines are built, how those kind of things are done, all those kind of tools and tooling and everything is there. Other than that, DSA and system design, advanced DevOps, big data tools, big data in cloud, all those things are there. So you can see, like, if there are any upcoming session, the live sessions will be listed here. Other than that, if you might have missed or you were not able to see this class, so you can just go to this thing, you can see the videos from here. Directly go to the videos, and when you will play this from here, so mostly this is how it looks like. Okay, as of now I have enabled a very low version, so you have to go from here, you have to choose the better quality, depends on your internet. So basically I have chose, and like this, proper classes are there where they have explained everything from very proper examples are there, proper everything is there. So no need to worry about that thing. That is a curriculum, like everything is mentioned. And other than that, we have machine learning module is also there. When you will go here, we have masterclass, we have machine learning modules, all those kind of things are there. So as of now, I have access to 5 modules in data engineering. So definitely this is a very upgraded program, and most of the things are like they keep on adding the things. So that is the best part. So this is a better curriculum breakdown. Basically, they have shown module by module. Module 1 has programming, 10 weeks it will take SQL and Python. That is the core of everything. Okay. Then module 2 will be there, 5 weeks it will take data warehousing, DBMS, problem solving on data modeling and all, everything there. They're covering the things. Okay. Module 3 is the data engineering tools. They will be talking about different kind of integration tool, real-time data processing tool, distributed processing tool, all those kind of system design for data engineering is there. 6 weeks it will take. Then module 4, that is one of the most interesting one because people focus on the tools part. So basically 5 weeks it will take, where AWS, GCP, Azure, DevOps for data engineering, those things will be covered. Then DSA and basics of like machine learning for data engineering, that will cover. And agentic AI, 2 weeks it will take. So basically more detailed breakdown is there in this one. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I'll not go into too much of depth, not at all required, just a breakdown. I have given you an overview of the thing. Other than that, industry grade projects are there. That is the most interesting part because they have taken real raw data or real time data to showcase you all the things. And here you can see Tesla vehicle telemetry ETL pipeline is there, where they are using these kind of tools: Apache Airflow, Snowflake, Amazon AWS S3. So 8 hours project is there. Similarly, Airbnb data transforming with DBT they are using. So these projects will give you a very good understanding of the things. Other than that, you will be getting the basic tool understanding also. That is also very, very important. So basically you can see there are multiple projects you will be doing. So you will be getting a very good understanding of how exactly the things are done, how exactly the data engineering projects works. And one thing more, when you enroll to the program, basically you will be getting a 14 days of observation period. This observation period in the like first class only, they will be, whoever are the enrolled learners, they will be giving you all those like things what will be done. And after that, like if you have some problem, if you have some issues, you are not able to understand, all those things are covered. Okay, you will be getting a full refund after 14 days. So that's why it is called as a observation period. Okay, so no need to worry about that thing. Basically if you enroll, if you're not understanding what will happen, so no need to worry about that thing. Here is a class schedule. So basically whatever live classes will be there, here they will be listing those things. As you can see here, the live things will be listed here. Other than that, directly, like if you like missed some of the classes, as it is live and recorded sessions are also there, no need to worry. Every time you will be missing a class, you will be getting those recordings also directly, you can see at your own pace. Okay, next thing is basically the mentor is something that was a very interesting part for me, because when you will go into my mentor, so basically you get an option. You can choose, like you can do mock interviews, you can choose your mentor from here. As you can see, for choosing a mentor also, there are 6 different steps, 6 different sessions are there, and slowly gradually you understand things. Many times what happens, people when they enter into the industry, so basically at that time what will happen, they will be not able to what exactly they want to do, they will not able to decide that. So that all decisions are also like people will help you to do that. So that's why different kind of sessions are there. Session 1 is there, goal setting and goal setting session is there. Then data foundation is there, big data tools plus ETL pipeline session is there, advanced cloud session is there, DSA session is there. These kind of things are there. Other than that, you can choose your mentor, and one-to-one questions you can ask. If you have any kind of doubt, you can choose up to 3 mentors, and out of 3, basically if you have, and it will be relevant, they will be relevant to your own domain. If you want to get into data engineering, they will be from data engineering. As per the companies you are targeting, as per the things you are targeting, you will be getting those kind of mentors. You will be able to see their LinkedIn profile, you will be able to see their where they are working, all those kind of stuff you can see there from there. So that will give you a very good understanding how the things will work. Okay, so personally I feel so basically if you get a tech, the person who is actually working in the industry, they are guiding you, you will be getting a very good hands-on, and you will be understanding the things in a much better way. Actual application things you will be understanding. That is a very good part. Other than that, that is the placement part. Basically here you can build your resume. They have a AI resume builder. Directly you can build your resume from here on the top, as you can see. Other than that, they will be showcasing many recent placements are there that will be showcasing here, and placement update. You can fill up the forms. There is a proper process. What is the process? So here you can follow like 6 different steps are there. Your batch eligibility will be there, placement assessments you have to give, mock interviews you have to give, admission into the placement cohort you have to do. Then you will be profile building, proper profile building they will be setting up, like resume building, LinkedIn optimizations, these kind of they will be providing, like they will be helping you in those kind. Bosscoder Bosscoder will help you on those things. Then final placement drives will be there, and these kind of companies are there, many partnered companies are there, so no need to worry about anything, how basically the things will work. You will be covered, like end to end covered you will be, so no need to worry about that part. Other than that, the most interesting two last part are there. That is, first one is the exam part. Basically you can give like mock interviews, you can give the exams, so that you understand basically whatever you are studying, whether you are able to grasp those things. And a proper mentor will be also there behind you, who will be tracking your tracking manager will be there, tracking progress manager will be there, who will be progressing, who will be seeing your progress. You can get a review on that also. All those kind of things can be done directly. You can see the data foundation, the big data, then placement cohort, PDF, you can practice your exams directly. All those kind of stuff is there, as you can see here. Okay, no need to worry about that thing. Next one is the problem. Now see, whenever you enter into any kind of things, okay, whatever kind of like boot camp is there, or any kind of mentors are there, if you learn and at that time you got any doubt at how you can ask those doubts, okay, that is the best part of this one. That is, you get a Bosscoder support. Basically you can type in your queries. Suppose I have a data engineering this thing, I can get a human support. Other than that, suppose I have a DSA question, okay, I have a like array and maths, some problems are there, I can choose what exactly the question was and I can submit the query. You will get two options. One is the video solution, one is the vlog article. Directly you can view to see the video from here, directly you will see the video from here, so that will give you a very good understanding basically how the problems will be solved. Next thing, you can also see the blog, basically the article from there. Directly you can see and understand about the thing. That will give you a very good understanding. Till here also, if you're not understanding anything, you can get a placement like human support. Directly you get an option, directly tap on that, and like basically you from here only you can just talk to them, like directly ask your questions, talk to them, and from there only you will be understanding that thing. Other than that, after basically like there is a very interesting feature, that is basically the AI feature. Okay, you get an AI feature after the 14 days of the probation period, observation period, not a probation, observation period. After that observation, now you logged in, okay, you enrolled to the program. After that, basically there is a 14 days of observation period. So after that, what happens, you get a complete access to like Bosscoder Academy, this thing, and also you get one of the most advanced thing, that is AI interview access. Okay, basically what will happen, you can genuinely ask any type of question, and no platform is offering this kind of feature right now. That is, you get these kind of things and directly you can ask your questions, whatever doubts are there. Basically what happens, basically written things are there and videos are also there, but on my personalized note, if I want to ask anything, how that will help, how that will work. So basically that problem is solved here. Basically unlimited access there, so no need to worry about any credits or anything. Directly you get unlimited access, you can ask your question and all those things are sorted. Other than that, question banks are there, you can just see like you can start and practice the things directly. If you have any like you want to practice the things from here, so question banks are there, directly you can practice for your interviews and all those kind of things can be done. Progress report you can see. Other than that, progress meet will be there. You will be assigned a progress manager, dedicated progress manager will be there, from who you can understand about the things, where the lag is there, what I need to do, all those kind of stuff will be there. Okay, so that is how it works. So these were the things mostly. So this was a very detailed breakdown on Bosscoder Academy. Definitely if you want to get into data engineering, if you want to get into any kind of like data engineering or software engineering, basically you can just see these kind of like this kind of a very structured program and it will help you. So this was all about the review. Thank you so much. Definitely if you like want to get into data engineering and you want a very structured module, this is a program, you can enter into it, and all the links, everything is there in the description. Directly you get into this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.